close that is. That's close. Oh, thank God somebody stole the pallets, because those were a fire hazard. Yeah, it's close. I'm gonna get my hose set up. I've been told several times to leave, but I'm not leaving yet. It's still a ways away. I just hope I don't run out of battery. There were 2 large dogs behind a gate, and I went with the lock cutter to free them, but luckily their owner came. The big fear are the pine cones. When they catch on fire, when a pine tree catches on fire, the cones can be shot into the air 30, 40 meters away. And if you see right there, it's a big pine tree. So that's the only thing that really worries me, because if the pine cones get shot onto my roof and I'm not here to wet it down, the house is gonna go up like a match. I'm not letting that happen. Fighting hard. Your airplanes, your helicopters, the sea isn't far, so they can load up really fast. Giving it everything they've got. Jesus Christ. There's just a big explosion, and then a frenzy of police cars. Probably a household gas bottle or something. It was an explosion, but it wasn't crazy huge. Fire's definitely getting closer, as you can see. So far, I'm okay with smoke inhalation, because it's going above the house, but it's really high up before it moves in this direction. That's the thing that's gonna make me leave, is if the smoke turns and it's not possible to stay. It's pretty close. Yeah, the one that worries me is the one that's coming up from there. I don't think anybody's paying attention to that one. The one over here, I don't know. Oh, vai, Speedy. Ora, teu pira do Speedy. Oto. Dovrebbe... Fai tutti a Speedy. Chi? Tigonia. Questo sto gli però. really lucky. The air has switched, but it could switch again, and it's driving all the fires away. But who knows what it's going to do in the next days. There it's headed for some houses. I think it's actually at the house now. This fire is right in the middle of the village. We called and asked them to bring the helicopters back because they sent helicopters to another fire. But this is totally not out of control. I mean, this is completely out of control still. We need the helicopters. It's another house. I'm not sure what's going on because I see helicopters and planes, but they're going somewhere else. I really need to sound helicopters. Those flames are going to be 10 meters high in a second. I don't see any firemen anywhere. Oh, there's one. Their house is down there. I can hear it now. I can hear the flames. There's a helicopter right overhead. I guess he's assessing the situation. Literally above the house. The wind keeps changing directions. And that's what's so terrifying, because right now it's going in the right direction. It's going away. But who knows what it's going to do in a bit. The only reason I'm not leaving is because I don't see anybody here. And if I don't defend the house, who's going to? Basically, I'm just sitting here right inside the front door waiting. A few other people that haven't left, but most everybody has left. There's one fire that's so close, it's not even funny. But there's a truck down there. What worries me the most is that field across the street from me, totally dry. Helicopters are back, so that's good news. Tell me to go again. It's right here. Just to defend us. The police have told us to evacuate. I'm looking around trying to decide if there's anything I want to take. Not really. This is so bad. There's a fire truck right here. Maybe they're gonna... Okay, so I'm finally leaving. There's really nothing for me to do there because there's no water. So I'm gonna go to IKEA. I think it's gonna be okay. So this is pretty cool. My neighbors talked today. There's this sort of man-made canyon thing here from the mining days. And it's the safe place for fire. So we parked our cars in here quickly when we saw the fire coming, but it's also a place you could run to if the fire really overwhelms you. So that's good to learn. It feels really terrible and counterintuitive to leave now. But they've turned the water off, so there's nothing I can do to help. If the water were on, I would stay. But there's absolutely no water, there's no electricity, so there's nothing I can do to help. Yeah. It'll be okay. over there in Ice Constantinos. That's a It's the day after the fire, and I'm delivering some cookies over to the west side of Kea so I can look over and see the peninsula. And you can see that a lot of it is charred. There was so much acreage it was burned. Until next week, take care of yourselves.